to bottom mascara or to not-om mascara? Not-om bottom mascara. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to apply mascara to the bottom lash line. Hey guys, what's up? It's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for hanging out. Today, if you're new here, I am a licensed esthetician and makeup artist based out of Los Angeles, obsessed with simplifying beauty, making it really quick and easy, and giving all of my knowledge to you. If you enjoy this video, definitely don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and that'll keep you up to date on my latest videos. So if y'all are interested in learning all about bottom eye mascara, then definitely keep watching. This is actually, I think, my first video on my channel just talking about mascara. Woohoo! I feel like there are just as many lash types as there are face shapes or eye shapes. Everyone's lashes are different, and everyone kind of has their own idea of what kind of lash look is the best for them. The advantages of applying bottom mascara, or if you're trying to decide if bottom mascara is right for you, bottom mascara is really cool because it can open up your eye, it can frame your eye, it can make your lashes look super long, and it just looks cool. When you're applying bottom mascara, you have to think about a couple things. What kind of look do you want? Do you like a light application, a medium application, or a heavy application? You can use different tools to give you each different type of look. So for example, if you want more of a light dusting of mascara, then I would recommend that you use a fan brush. And these are, this one is just from like a local art store, and this one is the Sephora one. It's bent, which is really nice, and it is quick and easy to apply. For a medium amount of mascara, I recommend that you use a little wand. You can pick these up at like CVS or Sephora or Sally Beauty Supply, even online, anything like that. And then the trick is that when you get the mascara, you want to just wipe off the excess and then apply the mascara. And if you like more of a heavy look with your bottom mascara, then using just a typical mascara wand straight from the tube is really great. So personally, I don't love bottom mascara just straight by itself. I like to add a little bit of shadow just to kind of support it. Sometimes it can be a little bit weird when you take your concealer all the way up to your lashes and then just apply straight mascara that can kind of look spidery. So I'm just gonna take, this is just a Real Techniques brush, and I'm gonna take just a mid-tone. You can use any mid-tone, any like natural crease shade that you would use. And I'm just gonna run it right underneath my lashes just to give the mascara a little bit of support. Of course, if you're going out and you got a big smoky eye on, then I'm loading up my mascara wand and going to town with it. But for everyday bottom mascara, I just like a little bit of shadow right underneath the lash line. Now I'm gonna use the bent mascara wand, and since it's my own wand, I'm just gonna pick it up straight from the tube, but obviously if it was a client, you'd wanna put this either on a palette or use a completely separate wand to dig in and get product. Now I'm gonna take just a little bit off on my hand, just so that I know that it's not just on the tip, I want it a little bit further down. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start just at the top and then just gently pull the brush down. And it's great to have a Q-tip on hand just to remove any of the excess, or even just a little brush just to pick up any of that mascara that might accidentally go on the skin. And one way to avoid this is that you can actually take a little credit card or CVS card, just pop it underneath, so then you can really build up some product without worrying about it getting on your skin. Another great thing about putting a shadow down first is that if you're like me and I don't have an even amount of bottom lashes everywhere, it's a little bit more sparse over here, the shadow will kind of support it, so it will make those lashes look fuller than they actually are, because it's essentially just creating a shadow there. Just one thing to keep in mind is that the more layers that you apply, the thicker the mascara is gonna build up on those lashes. So that's when you can kind of get into those like spidery looking lashes. So if that is the case for you, that happens really easily. Sometimes if you have a lot of lashes, that can happen really easily. It's great to have either a clean mascara wand or one of these little lash separators just to kind of help go in and separate any clumps that might happen. Alrighty, and that is how I apply my bottom mascara when I'm not wearing a heavy eyeshadow look. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and as always, there are more tips and tricks on Facebook and Instagram at Makeup by Shannon Marie. I hope you guys are having an awesome week, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye guys.